So welcome back to my channel. This is your first time watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, and press the notification bell for the updation about my videos. Okay, today I am going to present you with the cooking. As usual, I am doing a millets recipe. I hope you have watched all my other millets recipes. I am going to use a little millet Samai. uh, is also called as a hearse millet. So I have taken 3 cups of little millet, washed until the water is clear, then soaked it for 12 hours. You only need to soak for 8 hours. So it looks like a white and brownish color. In UK you can get it mostly from the Indian shops. Okay, most of the Indian shops are selling the millets, or you can buy it from Amazon. So I'm going to use one onion. That onion I think around 1 kilo. So I'm using this onion for making it brownish and sprinkling on the top of the biryani. Plus I'm using it for cooking into the biryani. So I'm using, and I'm making raita with it. So this is a big biryani. So if you are taking 1 to 4, it depends on the size of the onion. So maybe you need 3 or 4 onions. My onion is big, that's why I'm using this one. Okay, so then I took 2 green chili, coriander leaves, and pudina leaves. So I'm just sliced everything after wash. Okay, then you can use whichever vegetables you want to use for the biryani. If you want, you can add meat. I am making in the vegetable biryani, so I am using the mixed vegetables, like it contain peas, carrot, beans, cauliflower, and broccoli. Okay, so I have bought this one from Asda. So for the biryani, I'm going to add some ghee. So I'm using the Milma ghee. The weather is still very cold here, so my ghee is still very hard. So I'm just expecting that is 1 tablespoon, and I'm adding coconut oil as well, 1 tablespoon. So better if you use the coconut oil or olive oil. But for a little bit of taste, I'm adding ghee. But if you use the ghee, you have to do more exercise. Okay, just careful. So I'm adding some jeera, there is a black cumin seeds, and cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, cloves, and star anise seeds. So any of this ingredient you don't like means don't add it. Okay, just ignore, or you can exchange with any other ingredient you wanted to add. You can do that. So when the aroma going into the oil, you can add the sliced vegetables. So I am adding the onions. No, I am not using all of that onion I have sliced so far. So I have used only half of the onion. And adding some salt, so it will speed up the cooking. Okay, then I'm going to add some garlic powder. So if you want, you can make a garlic, ginger, and chili paste. So because I have a powder, I am just adding the ginger powder. It's very strong, so you don't need to add that much, and just mix very well, because sometimes ginger and garlic smells it's on the top of everything. So just cook very well until the raw smells disappear. Then add a little bit of mint leaves and coriander leaves. Then I'm just adding some saffron into the milk. Then I will microwave that one for 1 minute, so it will give some color for the biryani. Okay, or if you don't have the saffron, you can use the turmeric powder. Okay, that's ready. I'm keeping it aside. Then I'm going to add the millet that we have soaked for 8 hours. Okay, then just fry that millets for at least 5 minutes. Meantime, I'm going to fry some papad. So I am using sunflower oil, and this is the frozen papad, so it will pop up very quickly. So the oil was in that hot, that's why it's needed. Usually it's pop up very well. I'll show you in coming videos. Okay, so our millets and vegetables are frying for more than 5 minutes, so it's nearly ready. Um, I'm going to add some this is for raita. I'm going to slice some onion, and half of the onion I am kept that one for fry for the biryani, and half of that onion for raita. So I'm just transferring that chopped onions into a bowl. Now look like it's brown and there is no water, so it looks like it's fried well. Then I can add the water, but very careful, this is my first time cooking millets, that's why I have added the same water as when I cook rice. Like when I cook rice, I usually if I use 1 cup of rice, it means 1.5 water, or in the top level of the rice. That's what I usually do, same the way I have add the water. But the problem is millet I have been soaking for more than 8 hours. That means you don't need to add that much water. At the same time, it's millets no need that much water to cook as well, to cook very easily. So try to reduce the amount of water. If you cook 1 cup of millet, maybe only add half cup of water. Then if you need, just boil the water and top it up. Okay, and the papad is all fully fried and it's ready, and I just concentrate on raita now. So I'm going to add some green chilies and carrots. If you want, you can add tomato, ginger, mint, uh, coriander leaves, whatever things you like. Okay, so I mean it's very nice if you add so many vegetables in the raita. I'm adding some cherry tomato. If you want, you can add the cherry tomato straight, but I'm just chopping it up, so you don't need to have all of that tomatoes. Okay, so that's mint leaves. I like pudina leaves. So this is a Greek yogurt. I have been making yogurt for quite a while now because it's very cold and I don't want it will take a long time. That's why summer is very good to make the yogurt. So our raita is ready as well. Okay, now I'm going to fry the cashew nuts and raisin and onions. Okay, so first I'm adding the raisins in the ghee. So when raisins is halfway through, just add the cashew nuts for frying. Then after better to fry cashew nut and raisins first before frying onion, because if you fry onion, it will smell a little bit bad, because frying onion you need to add coconut oil as well. So for the cashew nut and raisin, I don't usually fry in the coconut oil. Okay, I mean, if you are so much health conscious, try to avoid ghee, but once in a while, or I just want to show the video, then I'm just adding. I try to avoid ghee how much I can. So now I am frying the onion. I mean, my onion is very thick actually. I just slice it in thick. If you can make it small slice, is very good, so it will fry very quickly. Okay, and anyway, it's nearly ready. And looks like my millets are ready too. So yeah, and I'm not doing dum or anything. I'm just topping up all the fried cashew nut, raisins, onions, and add some coriander leaves and mint leaves. I have added the saffron milk when I added the water, so it was fine actually. If you want, you can add in this time as well. Okay, if you are doing the dum. So this is the soya chunks. It was very tasty with the biryani and papad, raita, and I think I have forgot the pickle. I have got the pickle as well. So let me taste the biryani, how it tastes like. You don't feel that it's not rice. It's very tasty and very healthy. So if you feel like any difference, just ignore it, because you have to be concentrate on your health. I hope this video you like, so please share, comments.